Okay, today we're here at the Knott's Farm Marketplace, and we're here to review these three Kit Kats that we found at World Market. And the ones we haven't really seen, this one's orange, this one's dark mint, and this one is honeycomb. So they may have been new in other countries. Let's see, does it say where it's from? Yeah, these are UK Kit Kats, I think. Yeah, they say product of the UK. So that's why we haven't seen them in. Oh, there's they actually have 9 of these, and they're the wrapper is going sideways instead of, we would wrap it probably this way. It's like a cigar wrapper. This is the orange one. Oh. It's a little warm today, so it's getting a little bit melted. Well, not quite as melted as that one I got from Paul at Critical East Japan. So yeah, it doesn't look very pretty right now. But yeah, you could taste the orange and the chocolate flavor. There's Ghost Rider. Okay. You can actually taste the orange flavor in the chocolate. If you've ever had one of those Terry's orange balls where you crack it on the ground, and that's kind of what these taste like, but with a cookie center. Right, let's try the dark mint next. Let's see. Where's the opening for this one? Oh, we'll just tear it. Oh, here's the opening. This one's a little darker than this one. Still melting though. This one tastes a little bit like an Andes mint with a cookie center. But a dark chocolate version of Andes mint. This is the honeycomb one. Oh, this one got really melted. I can feel it squishing in my hand. Okay. Chocolate is sticking to the... Oh, wait, there we go. Sticking to the metal part. This one has an unusual flavor. I guess it kind of tastes like the... We've had some honeycomb candy, British honeycomb candy. It's not like a bee's honeycomb, like you think of where the bees make their honey, but it's almost like a Butterfinger type of consistency. It crumbles, and that kind of tastes like this. It's better if you don't get them in. They're melting. But anyways, these are all real good. So if you want to get them, you'd have to go to like World Market or order them probably online. So I'm gonna take another bite of this one, but please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And then I'm gonna take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.